Did you know that you could earn $190 using a single image, and you don't ever need a camera to begin with? You also don't need to take a photo using your phone or to have a lot of social media followers as well. You want to know how? Watch the video till the end. Now for step 1. Go and type Adobe Spark onto your browser. And once you enter, you can search the home page where you can see various thousands of templates that you can simply drag and drop. Then you can start creating your professional-looking designs. You can also learn that there are numerous designs that can be created using just this tool. If you'll ask me, what can I do with it? Well, you can make a social media graphic by taking a photo and using design filters or animation to make it stand out and make it a high-class design. It also has other features like web pages and making short videos. But that's not our focus here. Instead, we will just focus on making an image that can be created in less than 10 minutes, share it instantly, and get paid on the website that I'll show you in just a minute. If you don't have a laptop or computer, don't worry because you can still do it even on your phone. The app is both accessible to Android and iOS. And you can do it even if you're lying in your bed or sitting in your favorite couch. Go onto Adobe Spark now and create your account by signing up using your email or Adobe ID. You can also even use Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Now log into the account that you've chosen and you will be redirected to a brand new account. You'll be able to view all the different things on the page. You have an almost completely done graphic design available for you that all you needed to do is change the text and make it your unique design, which you can use on the website that I'll share with you later. Make those hundreds of dollars. So you can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, and branded images, as well as flyers, ebook covers, and book covers that are all possible. If you want to use a flyer design template, simply click on it to be demonstrated its simplicity, and all you have to do is wait for them to move your design so that you can fully customize your template. Then just double-click the text and fill it up with whatever you want. And click Done. Your image will now change. On the right-hand side, you can change or adjust the colors, fonts, and sizes. Everything is customizable so that you can also use various shapes, shadows, animations, and other effects. If the first template you chose is not to your liking, then you can go to the left-hand side to change it from the template varieties available. Just click on your new template, wait for it to load, and then edit it. It's 99% done for you. Just edit the text and save it on your computer. For example, you edit the text and then you can also change or remove the background image of your template or even add some filters. It's all basic and easy to use. You can make all kinds of different designs just using those templates. And once you're done with it, download it and save it to your computer on high quality. If you want the watermark to be removed, simply use screenshot software like a snipping tool and you're good to go. Isn't it just so easy to create those designs with Adobe Spark? And that's because all templates are almost complete, and that will take you just less than 10 minutes. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get back and get that money. I'll show you several websites that pay $100 and more for your Adobe Spark creation. DesignCrowd.com. This is a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars with your design on Adobe Spark. You can get paid with your logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs that can be created in less than 10 minutes. For example, if you go to the Designers category and click Graphic Designers, you will be able to see individuals that are generating money from around the world. Then if you take logo designing as another example, you can see that they are making even more money. You can make a lot of money with DesignCrowd.com, and it's a great website because it pays a decent amount on every design that's been completed in less than 10 minutes. If you go over to the job section, you can see that you can get paid for the designs that you can create, from business cards, Facebook designs, postcards, flyers, YouTube designs, and everything you saw from the previous website. If you're into flyer design, you can click on it, then you can see all the available jobs where you can start up your design and get paid. And you can get paid by it alone. And the cool part is that there are always new jobs coming in all the time. You can also go on and try designing a banner app or an icon, Facebook designs, or even YouTube design for you to begin using DesignCrowd.com. Go to the website and click the Join for Free button and start to input your email, create your password, and then click on Let's Go. Once your account is ready, you can start browsing all the different tasks, and if you find the one that suits you, just simply click on it and submit your designs. And now all that's left to do is wait to see if you've made any money. A lot of you have asked me how to withdraw money from this website. I'll show you how easy it is. First, go to your profile and click Profile Settings. Then go to the left side and you can select Payout. Lastly, you can choose your payment option and enter your payment information. Hooray! Now you can get that profit that you earned. Having to earn money by just simply using a free created image is one of the most amazing money-making ideas that we can have. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.